Welcome to the best picks. The best Makita router table is probably one of the most versatile and powerful router tables available on the market today, offering woodworkers of all skill levels the precision and control needed for a wide range of woodworking projects. From creating intricate designs to performing simple edge work, this table is a must-have for any serious woodworker who wants to take their projects to the next level. Number 5. BOSCH RA1181 Router Table. This benchtop router table offers a large work surface and is built to last. Its durable design ensures precision and accuracy for all your routing needs. It features a large aluminum top, providing ample space for your projects. This ensures stability and makes working on larger pieces much easier. The rigid mounting plate is pre-drilled for easy compatibility with various routers. Adjusting the height of your router is also a breeze. The extra tall fence with adjustable faceplates and featherboards gives you maximum precision and versatility. It helps you achieve clean, consistent cuts every time. It has a built-in dust collection port that fits standard 2 to 1 2-inch vacuum hoses. This keeps your workspace clean and helps maintain a safe working environment. The easy-to-use featherboards attach to the fence and table, providing extra guidance and kickback protection. They enhance safety and improve the quality of your work. It includes an accessory slot for featherboards and other 3-4-inch accessories, as well as a storage pocket for your router bits. This keeps everything organized and within easy reach. The built-in cord wrap neatly stores the 6-foot power cord, keeping your workspace tidy and preventing accidental damage to the cord. What we like. It boasts a large, sturdy aluminum top perfect for those big projects. The extra tall fence ensures precision and safety, especially when working with larger pieces. If you value precision, durability, and a clean workspace, this is the table for you. What people say. Assembly was not particularly difficult, but expect to take some time to do it right. The instructions were adequate. Setting up the table for use was easy, the featherboards were solid, worked well, and stayed in place as did the fence itself. The table surface left some mar on the wood I was using, but nothing that wasn't easy to sand out. Number 4. BOSCH RA1171 Router Table. This router table is designed for precision and ease of use, making woodworking projects easier than ever before. Its robust design and features ensure accuracy and safety. It easily handles tall workpieces thanks to its tall aluminum fence. The adjustable MDF face plates provide smooth operation with taller pieces. The rigid aluminum router mounting plate ensures accuracy and a flat surface. It's also pre-drilled to fit various routers for added versatility. 2 adjustable featherboards provide additional guidance and protection against kickback. They easily adjust to fit various workpieces. With its cabinet-style design, it features 2 dust collection ports to remove dust and debris. These ports fit standard 2-1 2-inch vacuum hoses. It includes a dual outlet switch with a 6-foot power cord for added convenience. It also comes with various accessories for a complete setup. What we like. Its cabinet design not only looks great but also houses 2 dust ports for superior cleanup. The adjustable MDF face plates on the tall fence allow for smooth operation with taller workpieces. If you need a clean and efficient setup for various projects, this is the one for you. What people say. Assembly was not particularly difficult, but expect to take some time to do it right. The instructions were adequate. Setting up the table for use was easy, the featherboards were solid, worked well, and stayed in place as did the fence itself. The table surface left some mar on the wood I was using, but nothing that wasn't easy to sand out. Number 3. BOSCH RA1141 Router Table. This portable router table is designed for ease of use and storage. Its compact size and folding legs make it perfect for any job site. It features folding legs for quick setup and convenient storage, saving you valuable time and space. Changing bits is a breeze with its easy click system. No more struggling with leveling, it's ready to go. The laminated MDF top ensures smooth, precise cuts every time. You'll get professional results on every project. Keep your bits and spare parts organized with its built-in storage. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. It arrives fully assembled, so you can start routing right away. No assembly required, just plug it in and go. The tall fence with adjustable feather boards gives you extra control and guidance during operation. It's perfect for both straight and curved cuts. A starter pin and guard make routing curved pieces easier and safer. It helps you maintain precision and control. The bistro height gauge makes setting up bits a simple task. This leads to enhanced cut precision and accuracy. What we like. This router table is ultra-portable, perfect for taking to the job site or for those with limited space. The easy-click mounting system makes bit changes a breeze. If you value portability, ease of use, and convenient storage, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Assembly was not particularly difficult, but expect to take some time to do it right. The instructions were adequate. Setting up the table for use was easy, the feather boards were solid, worked well, and stayed in place as did the fence itself. The table surface left some mar on the wood I was using, but nothing that wasn't easy to sand out. Number 2. Makita RF1101 Router. This is the Makita RF1101, a powerful and versatile router perfect for any project. Its variable speed control and electronic speed control give you precision and control. It features a variable speed control dial, letting you match the speed to your application for optimal results. This ensures you always have the right speed for the job. This router maintains a constant speed even under heavy loads. This means consistent performance and smooth cuts, no matter the material. The soft start feature ensures smooth startups, reducing kickback and improving control. It's designed for safety and ease of use. It boasts a rugged aluminum motor housing with a small diameter for easy handling and maneuverability. This makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. The sub-base accepts industry-standard template guides, adding to its versatility and convenience. This allows for precise and repeatable cuts. What we like. This router offers variable speed control, allowing you to match the speed to your material and application. The electronic speed control ensures consistent performance, even under heavy loads. If you need a powerful yet easy-to-handle router, this is a great option. What people say. A very sturdy and powerful router, especially for router tables. This is basically an improved Portacable 690. The soft start is a pleasure. The variable speed is a must. Motor runs out smooth, built like a tank but light enough to throw around all day. Number 1. Makita RF1101 KIT2 Router Kit. This is the Makita RF1101 KIT2, a powerful and versatile router kit, perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. It features a robust 11.0 amp motor that delivers speeds from 8,000 to 24,000 RPM. This ensures smooth operation even on the toughest materials. The variable speed dial lets you precisely match the speed to your project's needs, giving you ultimate control and precision. It maintains a constant speed even under heavy loads, ensuring consistent performance and high-quality results. The soft start feature provides smoother startups, reducing kickback and improving overall control. It's designed for operator comfort with low noise and vibration levels. This means you can work for longer periods without fatigue. This kit includes everything you need to get started, including a plunge base for added versatility. It's ready to tackle any routing project. What we like. With its powerful motor, this router tackles even the most demanding tasks with ease. The low noise and vibration levels make for a more comfortable work experience. If you prioritize power, comfort, and smooth operation, this is the router for you. What people say. The unit is stable and very powerful and didn't even begin to bog down, not a hint of slowing down throughout the cut. The motor on the 1100 is smooth, very powerful and has a finesse I have never found in a PC. In plunging 3/8, I found nothing but clean and smooth cuts. Built solid and well thought out like a Japanese car. Besides the excellent price for the tool, what was a nice surprise is that it is so quiet. Routers are notoriously noisy and this is the first one I do not need my earmuffs work with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.